Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can give access to Google Form. So if you want to share a Google Form with specific people or maybe to your entire organizations or make it public for everyone on the internet, you just need to learn the steps in here. Now, open the form that you want to share. For example, I'm going to share this one in here. Okay, so you can just click on the share button at the top, and in here you can see the people who have access is only me. And if you want to have give access to certain people, you can just here click on this box and you can add people, groups, and also calendar events. So I'm going to, let's say, add this person in here. And then you can choose whether you want to notify them or not. And here you can choose their role, whether it's only as responder, so they can only fill the form, or editor, so they can edit the questions or add questions in here. And for editor, you can notify them or not, or leave a message in here. And once you're done, you can just click on send. And just like that, the person who have access to this form now is added. And in here you can also change the general access. So for the responder view, you can choose whether you want only to restrict it to a certain group of people or anyone on the internet. Here for editor, also you can choose whether it's restricted or anyone with the link. So once you're done with the settings and everything, you can just tap on done, and that's it. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.